So this apple tree right here is 4 years old. I grew it from a seed, and I've been pruning it a bit lately, but I really don't know what I'm doing.
In the arms of the angel, fly.
So I've basically just been, trying to remove branches that are weak and that are like going straight up. And also I've been cutting the tips off the branches to hopefully promote more branching and more growth. To do that, I've been using these loppers. These are really rusty, cheap loppers. Yep, definitely very cheap. And then these here I've been using to cut off the thinner branches. So I basically just tried to kind of create a nice architecturally sound structure for the tree. I tried to make kind of a like a spiral pattern with the branches so that there's not one branch underneath the other. So yeah, just trying to create a good scaffolding for future apples to grow. And I think I've done a pretty good job here. Like I say, I really have no clue what I'm doing. Total noob, total beginner. I've watched lots of videos on YouTube about this, but still trying to just learn for myself. Experience is the best way to learn, in my opinion. So I actually did do some pretty drastic cuts. As you can see here, this is a pretty thick branch. I wanted to remove it because I want to train this tree as a central leader. Also, there was another branch here. As you can see, I had to cut that off as well. But hopefully this will, better the tree. It's all about the future. The future! It's all about, how much crop can I get. Trying to maximize space here. There's a really funky looking knot here on the tree. I don't know what this even is. It's like some sort of thing that just kind of formed here. It's really weird looking, but kind of cool. So as you can see here, I made a little cut on this branch. I cut it right above a bud because that's what I read you're supposed to do, and I made sure to make the cut in a place where the bud is going to grow outwards because I don't want it to grow towards the tree. I want it to grow out away from the tree. And yeah, so as you can see, outward facing bud. And that's basically just what I've been doing with all the branches, just been cutting off the ends. So this is a branch right here. I'm not sure if I should cut this part off right here. If you guys think I should, let me know in the comments. But it's got a nice little fork there. They're both about the same thickness, so I think I'll probably just leave it. And there's a big open space right here, so it'll probably fill in. Hey guys, so as you can see here, I got another forked branch. I'm not sure if I should cut this off here, or if I should actually cut this whole branch off right here, this one right here. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. Otherwise, I'll probably just end up cutting it right here because I'd like to, try to keep as much branching as possible without the tree getting too cluttered. Thanks so much for watching this video. I have a video on how to start peppers from seeds. It's going to be coming very soon. I'm actually a bit behind right now with my peppers. I just planted them like 4 days ago, so they're not quite sprouted yet, but definitely look out for that. It's going to be coming pretty soon. And yeah, have a great day, and see you next time. I'm Lucas from LucasGrowsBest, and as always, grow with best.